just woken up and there's a seal on the back of the boat. Stink. Yeah, you go for a shower. Ugh. Gross.
We put on our joggers and went for a hike through the park that overlooked the bay. Came to the Galapagos in 1835. Only upon his arrival to the islands did he start forming the idea of evolution and natural selection, after his first observations of 3 different species of mockingbirds on different islands. Later, after he had grasped the significance of the species among the mockingbirds and tortoises, he looked at other birds, plants and species. He wrote a book in 1859 called On the Origin of Species, based on his discoveries.
Before we could explore more of the island, as always, there was a list of jobs to do on La Vagabonde. Because of all the strange laws and restrictions on having your yacht in the country, the simplest of jobs were both difficult and frustrating. The water maker goes to the aft tank, but we also ran the forward one empty on that trip, so we've got some water, we've ordered some water. Not to mention the language barrier. Que gana de parajas en el barco. Que ganas de parajas. Sí, sí. Necesito para clean.
Sammy, get off. You are no longer welcome. Go on. Go on. Get. Sammy, get off. I'm for real. You are not hidden. Go on. Do you want me to come outside? Go. Get. Sammy, go. Suck it in, fatso. You as well. Party's over, guys. What have you got to say for yourselves? Hey? Have you seen what you've done up here? That is just shocking. We had to barricade the deck with fenders to stop these cheeky little creatures from taking over our boat. Get away, you're not welcome. Alright guys, who are you? Who are you and where are you from?
My name is Joel and I'm from the sunny Gold Coast, Queensland.
And what about you, Nicole?
I'm Nicole and I am from Ballarat in country Victoria. We met Elena 3 years ago in EOS.
Greek islands.
She lived on my front lawn for a little bit.
I did live on your front lawn, thanks for that.
In a little van, and yeah, we thought we'd catch up in the Galapagos Islands.
So you guys are backpacking?
In the Galapagos. We are backpacking through Central America.
We finished backpacking through Central America. We're in South America now.
South America now.
Excellent. Alright, well I hope you guys enjoy your stay on the Vagabonde.
Absolutely.
Thanks for visiting, friends. Alright, we've got a curry for dinner. Nice work, Nicole. That's the neatest chopping of vegetables I've ever seen. And the boys are drinking beer.
Did you get that sunset?
Typical. No, do you want to get the sunset?
No, I'm alright.
It's gone.
Go on.
Oh, I've been fighting seals.
Put your beer on the table. Film the sunset for me.
A lot calmer to the Savo, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Good morning.
Morning.
What are we doing today, guys?
Going snorkeling.
Eating pancakes.
Well, yes, we just ate some pancakes. We're gonna go see the turtles.
Tortugas.
You got peanut butter all down the side of your face.
Caught in the mussy. Do you put texture on that thing or what?
Nah, eyelash.
Yeah.
Mascara.
That's a good point.
I always
I
catch him
can't
using
get
it.
the mine's like a white. What colour is it?
Red.
Red.
You look so funny with mascara in your...
Can we go get some mascara? Well, I have got a
Your hair's
ginger red
too
in my
light.
beard. I think everybody goes, except for you. Yours is too dark.
Dustin does.
Oh my god.
Wow. What?
Joel just goes, what do they do?
What do they literally do? Just sit there.
Oh, this is the Nat Geo shot for sure. And over here we have the southern humpback turtle.
Hear that?
Oh,
Oh, there's some serious action going here.
Yeah. That's it. He's up.
have a rest.
Yeah, I'm
Have a spell, big fella. Smoko.
I'll move another 4 feet tomorrow.
We jumped on a speedy dive boat and cruised out to Kick-a-Rock, not too far away. Unfortunately, we couldn't take the Vagabonde as there is nowhere safe to anchor, but it was well worth the touristy tour.
Starts creeping out. The light is flickering away.
I spotted 2 hammerheads. I didn't get to film them very well, but it was pretty exciting.
What are you doing, Nicole?
Just cutting up some salad for our sandwiches.
What are you boys doing?
We're working hard. Oh, I thought you were accusing me.
Oh, no. Doing some filming.
Working hard. I'm working, I promise.
The boys are cleaning the boat and we're leaving to Isabella in an hour. Girls are cooking, boys are cleaning.
I really like it, Elena.
Yeah?
Just tying a couple of bow lines.
I've got the camera.
That damn bloody camera.
What do you think of seeing Christabel?
It's nice.
Yeah?
Quiet.
Yeah, very
Very
quiet.
It's pretty nice though. This will be my first time sailing.
On the Vaga?
In general.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We're gonna make you hoist the sails.
Really?
Yeah.
It's so peaceful out here.
Pulling this up. How's that looking now?
Still a bit of slack.
Is it?
Nick, jump down here. Now, we're gonna pull out the head sail. And it's not that windy, so you don't need to like put too many wraps on it. You can probably just hold it like that. And stand down here. And grab the end of that rope. When I unlock this is the furler. The head sail's gonna come out. And you just need to pull. Like.
Really hard.
Yeah, as hard as you can. I'm just gonna change course, so
Can you tell me when?
yeah. Alright, you can start pulling.
And look what's happening at the front.
Yeehaw! Go, Nicole!
Give me a
High
high five.
Now we lock it off, so you can just go like that. Pull tight and we'll sail it. Sweet. We got no wind though. Alright, so there's absolutely no wind and we've just wound back in the sails. It's we're gonna motor for a little while. There's nothing we can do. Dang.
What's our location?
The middle of the
We're
Galapagos somewhere.
How many miles due east of, where were we?
St. Christobel.
How many?
25.
I'll give you that. We're about 25 miles due east of San Cristobal. So what were the highlights from the last island?
Highlights was probably kicker off, yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah.
It was a very good day.
It was fairly deep though, so like to go that deep, and we did it, I probably dived down about maybe 20 or 30 times. By the end of it, like the hour was up, I was like, I cannot possibly dive down again.
Yeah,
I was
bush.
tired. Oh, that is a huge dolphin! Oh! You got
Ah!
it there, look over there!
Why is he headbutting the water?
See the little sucker
Please join us next time in Isla Isabella. We jump on some bikes and boats, check out some more of the wildlife and celebrate Jolie's birthday.
Bless you. Now tell me more about sailing in the Galapagos.
Okay, for other cruisers out there looking at going to the Galapagos, you'll look into it a lot just like we did, so I won't tell you a lot. The only bit of advice that I would have would be to maybe explore not getting the 3-island ZARP, which is quite expensive, because you have to pay for tours on the different islands that you go to anyway, and you don't feel the freedom, you don't feel like you're exploring even if you have paid for that ZARP, because you can only go to one anchorage on 3 different islands.
Which is ridiculous.
Which is not why we bought a sailboat and wanted to cruise around the world. So that's what I would recommend. Just get the standard ZARP and use the money that you've saved to go exploring the different islands that way.
Via ferry and tour boats.
Via ferry and tour boat. Because
not your boat.
You're stuck with the tourists regardless.
Yeah.
Can you hear the sound of the rain falling out there where the stray dog stays? Can you hear the tone from the voice that keeps on screaming? Kill them all.